Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of the harmony. What is the current price of harmony? What's the price changes occur in the harmony? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. As you can see here, the currently latest price of the harmony is 0.120048 USD dollar is the current price of the harmony. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the harmony, oh my god, what's going in the harmony? Only and only the last 1 hour price change as negative. And if we look the previous changes occur in the harmony is going positive. That's mean that the harmony falling time or starts now from the from the last 1 hour, friends. Only and only the last 1 hour price change as negative, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day and the last 1 week price change is going positive, friends. Let me show you, friends, what's going in the last 1 hour and why the price is, oh my god, absolutely. In the previous time, the harmony take a good jump, but now if we look the currently conditions, so currently they are badly fast down, friends. You can see here, and I think at this time they have no idea. My prediction about harmony is going wrong, friends. You can see here, at this time they have no idea to take a jump, friends. Let me show, friends, for better understanding that what's going in the harmony. I think they have idea to take a jump, friends. As you can see here, friends, so I think that is the nodes of the jumping time. As you can see, they goes neutral, they goes like a straight. You can see here they goes parallel, so there is chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. There is a lot of chances, 80% chances to they take a jump in the future and 30% chances to they fast down in the future, friends. Anyways, if we look the 24 hours price changes occur in the harmony, so you can see here that positive 12.99% positive changes occur in the harmony. Absolutely, the previous time changes occur in the harmony is very good positive, but now the last 1 hour price change is going wrong, friends. The highest price of the harmony in the last 1 day in the 24 hours is 0.1381966 USD dollar is the highest price of the harmony, friends. So my prediction about harmony is that there is a 80% chance to they take a jump in the future and 30% chance to they fast down in the future, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about harmony? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.